All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to start off today's video by basically thanking the Gen 8 Toyota Camry Facebook group for the help with the issue about the wheel and tire. There's my car. I know it's dark out, but this time of year it gets dark so early. I just got the car back. I have the bill and everything that it cost to replace my 19-inch XSE wheel. There's the new wheel. I don't know if you guys can see it. Brand new. I know it's dark out, but you guys know what this wheel looks like, so I don't have to show you. Today, I really want to go over what it cost me to get the wheel basically replaced, and the other things my Toyota dealership had to do in order to get this car back up to speed after the little mini collision I had, basically cracking the wheel. First, I don't know if you guys can read that, was the parts. The wheel itself, I'll have the numbers up on the screen since it's a little dark here and I don't know if you guys can see this, but the parts was $437. So the one 19-inch XSE wheel was $437. The good news in this case was I did not need a new tire. The new tire would have jacked up the price a little bit more. So I didn't need that because, like I said in the previous video, the tire was still inflated while I was driving, even with the cracked wheel. But the crack was pretty big. I'm surprised the wheel didn't blow out, but thank God it didn't. Next is supplies. That was $10.93. I'm gonna have a video on the screen of all these charges. I needed a wheel alignment. Obviously, after a big collision like that, I needed a wheel alignment for the car. Just to make sure I didn't damage any of the hub assembly or any of the internals with the steering mechanism or anything else regarding the brakes likewise. So, you know, that comes out to a total of $594.12. And then with the New Jersey state tax, it's $39.36, bringing my the grand total to $633.48. So that one pothole, and I'll show you guys the number right here if you don't believe me, but I'll have a video on the screen. $633.48 for just that pothole that cracked my wheel. The wheel was obviously the most expensive part, $437.24. So, you know, what am I thinking now? I've had a lot of feedback. I want to thank the Facebook group again. I want to thank Toyota of Morristown for helping me out with such quick turnaround. I've had a lot of feedback and what to do really next. I am looking into my future options. I'm not going to get the wheel and tire insurance package. I'm most likely going to, in the future, just invest in new wheels and new tires with a larger sidewall. That's the main problem with this car, is that they put such a small sidewall. You know, 19-inch, there's larger wheels out there. The 19-inch wheel really isn't that big of an issue. It's mostly just how thin the tires are. I don't know why Toyota necessarily put such a thin sidewall tire on there, the Turanza tires, but I think it's mostly for the looks, I guess. But it definitely is not good, especially where I live. We're in New Jersey. The roads really get, they get really bad in the wintertime, a lot of potholes, and it's something that I have to look into in the future. You know, it was a lot of money. I wasn't expecting it to be so much. I originally thought the wheels were $350. Obviously, they're more expensive than that. But it's $633, $594 before tax. It's nothing. What can I do? I have to replace it, and that's mostly what I'm going to be doing in the future. So I just wanted to update everybody on the current situation and what's going on with the car. I know I've had a lot of feedback on the previous video and on Facebook. And I apologize again for the lighting, but I just got the car back and I wanted to make a video updating everybody as soon as possible. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. I've really kind of covered everything in this video. Really not much, just the three charges. The shop supply's $10. That really wasn't much. So I appreciate everybody on Facebook, appreciate everybody here subscribing, and a lot more videos on this car coming soon. We'll see what ends up happening in the future with this car, wheel and tire wise, what I'm gonna put on it in the future. So I appreciate everybody watching the video, and I'll see you next time.